Didn't you feel you want to get younger, healthier, powerful, boosted and happy? To all people all around the world, this is your genetic scientist Dr. Emilia. I am here today to show the whole world a new era in the medical field. The first stem cell enhancer from our pharmaceutical company S9 Stem Cells US Biotechnology, which is used for cellular level repair of many diseases. Our new revolutionary drug have helped tremendous numbers of people all around the world. CS9 is an embryonic derivative which works on the three main cellular lines, ectodermal, mesodermal and endodermal. Based on the fact that during inflammation high blood flow is directed towards the diseased area, the CS9 travels across the blood to enhance cellular-based repair. The stem cells are living inside our bodies, the clue and the proof is something called teratoma of the ovary and testicles, as they show the three main germ cell lines in the histopathology assessment. Our drug is subcutaneous injection for the anti-aging purposes, as it enhances the stem cells for repair of the whole body. Our stem cells post-embryonic life exist in the testicles and ovaries. We knew how to stimulate it in our labs, so this drug can repair your muscles, enhance energy, build permanent muscle mass, makes you with big testicles, become fertile, sexual monster, lose weight, repair joint problems and depression. This stem cell embryonic technology was only exclusive to Hollywood celebrities and billionaires to keep themselves young, energetic looking, healthy, powerful and happy. Our pharmaceutical company, S9 Stem Cells USA Biotechnology, is offering this to you all over the world. Europe, North America, South America, Asia, Africa, and Middle East. For more information, please visit our website www.stemcellsusa.com.